Today's the day. I'm revealing my final look for the dress that we sewed together for my National Sewing Month sew-along. Let me remind you of all the things that went into making this dress. The pattern we used is McCall's 80/20. It's from their Learn to Sew for Fun collection, meaning it's a super simple design with high style. It's close fitting through the bodice with an elastic neckline for the perfect fit with no gaping. The skirt of the dress is shaped through the waist and flares at the hip, making it so comfortable to wear. I opted for the flutter sleeve, but there are also longer fitted sleeves included with the pattern, as well as a closer fitting skirt. The fabric I chose is a double brushed polyester from Joann. It has the most gorgeous denim blue background and lovely floral bouquets featuring black, white, and mustard yellow. The fabric is brushed on both the right side and wrong side, hence the name, meaning it's just as soft on the side touching your skin as it is on the outside. It has the perfect amount of drape for a fuller skirt and the flutter sleeve, but would work equally as well for the fitted skirt and sleeve. Also, it's polyester and spandex blended, making it a little insulating for the cooler temperatures that we are experiencing right now. It is the perfect fall fabric. Finally, the notions that went into making this dress are all from Coats & Clark. I used their dual duty XP thread for all the vertical seams, like the side seams, as well as the hems, since the ones on my version of the dress are loose fitting. The dual duty XP thread gets its name because it works well on woven fabrics and knit fabrics. It's 100% polyester, so it has a teeny tiny bit of stretch to it, unlike its cotton counterpart. For the horizontal seams, like the waist, and close-fitting seams, like the arm side, I used their EllaFlex stretchable thread. This thread literally stretches, making it perfect for knit fabrics. Using EllaFlex also means that you can use a regular stitch and avoid using the lightning bolt or zigzag stitch on your machine. It would be really great for the hems of this dress if you are making the close-fitting sleeve or the close-fitting skirt. It's miraculous, and this is not the last you'll be hearing about EllaFlex from me. This is one of my most favorite dresses that's both a little sexy with that deep V, but also super comfortable. And since I brought it up, let's talk about the neckline. I personally like the low neckline, but I understand that some people might not. So I posted a bonus video a couple days ago showing you how to raise the neckline for a more modest design. You could also layer this dress with a camisole or long line bra underneath to provide a little bit more coverage as well. I paired my dress today with some simple gold leaf earrings and a layered bangle, keeping the neckline bare to highlight the long neckline the dress provides. I grabbed my nude flats, and I'm ready for anything from errands at Target to date night with Dan. I'm going to feature an alternative styling option on my social media very soon, so be sure to follow me on Instagram or Facebook so you don't miss that. But I cannot wait to see your finished dresses. Some of them have already started coming through, and it just makes me such a proud teacher to see you guys make this dress with me. I have had so much fun walking you guys through making this adorable dress, and whether this is your very first dress or your 500th, I hope you learned something new and are just as proud of your make as I am. After all, that's what National Sewing Month is all about. Coats & Clark, our sponsor for this sew-along, takes great pride in the products they offer, so next time you're out shopping for notions, be sure to check out their threads, including Dual Duty XP, EllaFlex, and their serger thread called Sherlock. But also check out their zippers, tools, and accessories too. But that's going to do it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all very soon. Bye!